Hey everyone, back tuning into today's video. We're doing the 5-day forecast today. We're going to have a detailed look at the weather for the next 5 days across the British Isles. This takes us into the bank holiday weekend. It's the bank holiday weekend for England and Wales. Don't think it is for Scotland. It looks like it's going to be staying pretty cool, really, for the next few days. And as we go into the weekend, well, we're going to find some things trying to settle down a bit to start off the weekend. But as we get through to bank holiday Monday, I think there is big question marks about bank holiday Monday now, with an area of low pressure, possibly bringing quite a lot of heavy rain in off the Atlantic, although the exact detail on it is changing, so don't necessarily be too concerned just yet if you've got plans for bank holiday Monday, but certainly worth keeping an eye, I think, on the forecast over the next few days. Before I get on with the 5-day forecast, I should say about the ads. There's video ads on my pages at gasweatherviz.com. Hit play on video ad. You'll be helping to support gasweatherviz.com. Thanks very much for doing that. So, starting off with a radar picture from the weatheroutlook.com. You can find a link to weatheroutlook.com on my links page. Got some persistent-ish sort of showery rain coming into the far north and northwest of Scotland. Also got some showers through Ireland, over the Irish Sea, in towards northern England, northern parts of Wales. They're going to drift southwards through the course of the day. Otherwise, on dry and fine weather around today. This is today's Sotic pressure chart from weathercentral.de. You can find a link to weathercentral.de on my links page. This is the area of low pressure that's bringing the more persistent showery rain to the far north and northwest of Scotland. Otherwise, in this slack sort of northerly, northwesterly flow. So we're going to find it turns wetter across the far north and northwest of Scotland through this afternoon and into this evening. The rain will set in there. Elsewhere, we're going to find showers drifting down from the north, really affecting northeastern England, perhaps parts of Lincolnshire, the East Midlands, East Anglia, perhaps at risk of some showers this afternoon. The driest weather will probably be in the south and southwest and across parts of southern Scotland and northern England. Temperatures today are going to be very disappointing again for the time of year. We may max out on the south coast at around 20 degrees, 68 Fahrenheit, but generally we're going to be in the low to mid-teens in most places, somewhere between around 13 to 17 degrees, well below where we should be on the 20th of August. As we move through tonight, back low pressure will become more vigorous across Scotland, so I think the rain will set in over Scotland through tonight. Outbreaks of showery rain moving down through much of Scotland. At least it'll mean that temperatures hold up there. Further south, we're going to have any shower dying away. It can become clear overnight across much of England, whereas temperatures will drop away very sharply. It's going to be a cold night for the time of year, with temperatures widely in towns and cities going down to around 9 or 10 degrees, but in rural areas we're going to be down to 4, 5 or 6 degrees, so not quite down to frost levels, but certainly much colder night than we should be having in the latter part of the summer. Moving through into Thursday, this low pressure drifts further southwards, taking the rain from Scotland in towards Northern Ireland and Northern England through the course of the day. Something will be quite heavy, generally in the form of sort of showers, showery bursts of quite persistent rain. Perhaps best sums it up. Won't be raining continuously all day, but it'll be sort of on and off in showery bursts, and some of those showery bursts could be quite heavy with a risk of a rumble of thunder. Further south, much of England and Wales away from Northern England, actually mainly dry through Thursday. A sunny morning, but it'll tend to cloud up, I think, through the course of the afternoon. There could be 1 or 2 showers scattered around. Temperatures will be very disappointing again in the north. We're looking at maximums of around 11, 12, 13, and about rain, more like sort of October temperatures up there. Further south, we'll probably get up to around 18, 19 degrees on the south coast. That's around where we should be in the latter part of September, but we're well below the average for this time of year. Going through to Friday, that band of showery rain will drift further south overnight Thursday into Friday, so it's England and Wales that's probably affected by the showers on Friday. They'll probably be turning lighter through the course of the day and becoming increasingly confined to the east. Things will be brighter for Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England. Sunny spells will be coming through. A few showers will be scattered around. Temperatures, again, well below where they should be at this time of year, between around 13 to 18 degrees. As we head into the weekend, we're going to find this ridge of high pressure trying to topple in from the Atlantic. I think Saturday is still quite a showery day for eastern Scotland. Many parts of eastern England, there'll be showers coming and going. Central western areas, though, mainly dry on Saturday with sunny spells. Temperatures could lift up just a little bit, maybe up to 21 in the south. That's 70 Fahrenheit, so not very exciting, to be honest, but perhaps a little bit less cool on Saturday. Now you get a ridge of high pressure building in overnight from Saturday into Sunday. That's going to settle things down temporarily, at least for Sunday. But what we're going to find overnight, Saturday and Sunday, is we could get a very, very cold night for the time of year. We could well be talking about ground frost first thing on Sunday morning down as far south as the Midlands, and Scotland could be at risk of air frost if the skies clear for long enough overnight overnight Saturday into Sunday. But Sunday itself will be a nice day. After that cold start, I think we'll have good sunny spells coming through. This low pressure will probably bring some outbreaks of rain towards Ireland by the end of the day, but otherwise a lot of dry and fine weather for Sunday. Temperatures in that sunshine will lift up to around 21, perhaps at 70 Fahrenheit, so a little bit warmer after that really cold start for the time of year. And then I'm afraid as we go through to Bank Holiday Monday, we've got low pressure coming in. That's quite a vigorous area of low pressure as well, bringing some heavy rain here across many parts of the country, suggestions that there could be some really wet weather setting in through the course of Bank Holiday Monday, and temperatures very, very cool as well, and about persistent rain. We're just getting into the mid-teens. So the idea of Bank Holiday Monday is that probably start off mainly dry in the north and the east, but rain from the word go in the south and the west, and that spreads across many parts of the country through the course of Bank Holiday Monday. Turns really wet through the course of the afternoon on the evidence of this particular run of the GFS model, and temperatures very, very cool as well. Will be a horrible Bank Holiday Monday if that's right, but I have to just say it's still a little way off. The exact detail on this is changing, so don't necessarily be too despairing if you've got events or things planned for Bank Holiday Monday. Things could improve a little bit over the next day or two, but certainly worth keeping an eye on the forecast. Here's the charts from the weather outlook to see weather in your area over the next 5 days. It showers in the north and the east through the course of today, but driest weather down in the southwest. Temperatures very, very cool for the time of year. Going through to Thursday, again we've got the rain up here over Scotland, moving further southwards through the course of the day in the form of showery rain. It won't be persistent rain all day, but it'll be on and off, that kind of thing. The showers are further southwards as we go through into Friday, with the north perhaps turning a little bit drier. Showers in the east on Saturday, with the west gradually turning dry as that ridge of high pressure begins to move in. Temperatures still well below average. Nice day for Sunday. I think Sunday is the best of the next 5 days. It will be a nice day. A very cold start potentially, but otherwise a lot of sunshine will lift those temperatures up a little bit more on Sunday. But make the most of it, because here we go on Bank Holiday Monday, and we've got heavy rain across many parts of the country. Have to say, it could be, on the basis of this, a little bit of a washout sort of Bank Holiday Monday, but I will be keeping you updated about that. So in summary, where we're looking at temperatures well below average for the next 5 days, it's going to be a very cool period coming up. There's going to be showery rain drifting down from the north through the rest of this week. Into the weekend, things will settle a little bit. Certainly Sunday looks a nice day, but a very cold start with risk of ground frost down as far south as the Midlands. And then into Bank Holiday Monday, we've got heavy rain moving in off the Atlantic. So it's not a great outlook. Pretty cool and showery. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.